From New School Piano. I think this is Hanon number 3. Don't correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's 3. Here we go. Here's the right hand. It starts on C like they all do, then skips to E, then goes to the A, then G, F, G, F, E, and then goes to D and repeats the pattern. Watch it slowly in real time. Okay, watch the right hand this time. Together. I'm going to keep going. Same pattern. Skip. B, A. It's going to land on the E. F, skip, G, sorry, A, I'm going to do the down on another video, but just look at the math of this thing. You go from here to E, which is skipping a note with the 1 and the 2 finger. But it's actually a third if you think about it. The C to E is a third. And then when you go up to the A, that's actually a 6th in musical terms of a scale. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So it's 1st, 3rd, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 4th, 3rd. Okay? Watch again. Do it at speed. 1, 2, ready, go. Etc., etc., etc. Again, do it very slowly. And here's D. And so on. Rewind as you need. Email me with any questions or text me with any questions. Have fun practicing. This is for you, Kathy.